Hello friends and family of YouTube. Boy, I'm gonna show you an awesome trick to making some great food and people not knowing that you pulled a fast one on. Man, we're gonna make some potato salad casserole today. Man, this is gonna be so quick and easy, and it's gonna be the best you ever had. So here's all that's involved. You got the potato salad from Walmart. It's got to be loaded potato salad. Gonna need you some grated cheese, and I'm using a cast iron skillet. You can use anything you want. You can even use one of those glass casserole pans, whatever you want to use. But hey, I'm gonna try to make this look as if I really went through a lot of effort. So what you do is you take your potato salad, you want to put it into your skillet or your glass casserole dish. Get it about 1 inch thick. Make you a whole bed of it in here. Once you get your bed of potato salad, take some grated cheese, put all over that potato salad. Throw this in the oven, 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Woo, man, I'm telling you what, it's one of the greatest things you'll ever eat. I know y'all would love for me to show you the end result, and you would rather me show you how to make it instead of tell you. But today is Sunday, Thursday will be Thanksgiving, so I'm doing this video a few days ahead. My family would probably not appreciate me cooking this 4 days early. So I'm just showing you. That's all you do. Dump this into your pan, 1 inch thick. Cover it with some cheese, 350 degrees in the oven for 25 minutes. You got something awesome. Man, y'all have a blessed day. I sure appreciate you sharing this video with all your friends on Facebook. And your comments down below are awesome too. See y'all soon. Bye-bye.